Cause you know this shit about to dance.
Let the tires right out.
That shit lit the tire up.
I hear that thing, yeah.
Now it's time to turn the boost up. A lot of action this summer. And then we have the all-wheel drive car. This motherfucker mean though. But besides that, like I said, comment below which car is your favorite car. Do you guys like the all-wheel drive car? Do you guys like the all-motor car? Or do you guys like the street car? Yo, you ready for the season?
Bro, I'm ready for the season. It's gonna be a lot of people's heads falling off.
Got the all-wheel drive car strapped up to the dyno. Let me know what you guys think of the back wheels. New bell axe. I'm gonna show it to him again. This thing looks like it's sitting on 22s, baby. Mike Jones.
I mean, compare them. Do you feel like the polish is more stylish for this car? Or do you feel like the powder coat?
This is like a clean look.
This is my style.
This is murdered out. I love this.
Satin face, gloss barrel, satin on the outside and gloss in between on the bead ring.
Custom fire. And these are just regular how you get them out of the box.
Which wheels do you guys like? Official spoon wheels or the Bell X?
Listen, he's really bougie. I mean, I don't know anybody that tuned with spoon wheels on the dynos.
Crazy. My brother was right about that. The inners did rust. And I gotta paint the calipers. My man Jamie putting the spray on the tires because you know this shit about to dance. Trying to get this shit to hook up. All right, drop in the comments what do you think this is gonna make. I'm not gonna show you guys horsepower number on either or car. Change the wastegate on here, and I put electric water pump kit to help cool down the temps in the summertime. Those are a little bit over wastegate pulls just to make sure everything is clean, everything looks all right. Now it's time to turn the boost up. Sucks I can't really share how much horsepower with you guys. I'm taking this car to the streets. I honestly love the transformation on the all-wheel drive car. The wheels made the whole car. If you guys asking what wheels are, those are Bellac wheels. He offers them for all-wheel drive. My car is 5-lug, so I didn't want to go with like a full slick setup, and I wanted to keep it more street because that's what the car's complete purpose is for. One more time for the boys.
Let them up, bro. Let the tires right out.
Yeah, we got the tire pressure all the way down, pretty much as low as you can pretty much get it. That shit lit the tire up. All right, here we go. Time to turn the boost up, baby.
So guys, successful day on the dyno.
Great day today.
Honestly, the car stayed together. That's the best part.
So far we got 3 of the 4 cars tuned. Missing 1 more, the B-Series front wheel drive car. Good day here today.
This car made the same power that it made last time. Obviously can't hook up with these wheels. That car made more power actually since the last time it's been out.
I think it's made the most power since
It's ever been,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's ever did.
So I'm excited to see what that car does. Are you excited?
No, I'm not excited to smell the nitro over again. It's build season here, so you're either gonna get all dyno, or you're gonna get builds, or you're gonna get them all in between. All of our builds are out to paint. It's race season here for us. We're gonna be super busy with race cars. We're gonna see track videos, dyno videos, street passes. So it'll be a mix of content all in between.
I think it's gonna get better.
What's
because
gonna get
during the
better?
off season we don't do none of this stuff. So
yeah, I know, but
you
I've posted so much dyno footage, which is great. I love dyno videos, don't get me wrong, but all the cars that we're building for the shop, it'll all come along with the race season. Right now it's race season for us, so that means we're gonna get every race car here ready. We're gonna hit the track, we're gonna go to events. That's what this time on the channel is gonna be from now all the way up until World Cup finals that we're going to. We will keep you guys posted on what events we're gonna go to, but for the meantime, enjoy the dyno videos.
This car will be hitting the streets. This car will be hitting the streets and the track. And this car will be hitting the track. So stay tuned. A lot of action this summer. A lot of action this season.
My goal
It's
here
gonna
is to I want to have all 4 of these cars running in one video. Like I want to put them in every bay, start every single one up, and have them all running together and all of them track ready.
That car's been sitting since 2021. We've been building this car since 2016 or 17. This car's been apart
Since Vegas.
Since Vegas, but also before that it's been apart for a few years as well. And they're finally all running at the same time. So it's gonna be a fun season.
It's gonna be crazy because you gotta think about it. We have like pretty much a car for every class. We have a front wheel drive car, we have an all motor car. That can be regular all motor M1, it can be nitro, all wheel drive outlaw, all wheel drive for the street.
So before we end this video real quick, I'm gonna do a quick walk on all the cars, and I want you guys to comment below which car is your favorite car out of, we have 4, but out of these 3 that are here now. So do you guys like the street car? Are you guys feeling the wheel setup in the back? You guys like the spoon wheel in the front? I know you guys seen this car a bunch, but right now it has mismatched wheels, but I'm feeling the back a lot more. This is my style. So for you guys that don't know, to get a set of 4 bead locks definitely costs a lot more than spoon wheels.
The tires for the Mickey Thompsons cost me $1,200 for 4. The R AAAs cost me like $120 each tire,
So this is the motor car. We've had this car for a while, but there's plenty of videos out with this car online. You guys can go look it up.
First all motor car to go 8 seconds in the stack chassis.
I'll throw that clip in for you guys. That day was insane.
What do you think? 892. 894. Stay fucking get it done.
Number 1, baby! I remember that day, but we'll talk more about this car later and then the history of it and stuff and what we've been through with this car. Overall, it looks like the turbo car, just
They all look the same. Every color that we have, all the color variances are different. So every car here, one's either a shade darker, one's a shade lighter, they all are different.
And then we have
This car's so good.
the all-wheel drive car.
You know why this car looks so good and looks great? Because it's brand new. Brand new cars look at that. That car's been used and abused. So has the B-Series car. But this car is just...
This car is pretty much buttoned up. Look at that angle. Do you guys like the all-wheel drive car? Do you guys like the all-motor car? Or do you guys like the street car?
This right here.
Comment below.
My B-Series front wheel drive is number 1 for me. I'm not gonna comment, so I'm gonna tell you guys. Number 1, my B-Series front wheel drive. This, number 2, so B-Series is top 2 on my list. And then all motor, and then I'm gonna go this because I only say this because this car I haven't driven at all. This car is gonna be on the bottom of my list. once I get to drive it, might make it to number one. B series top.
You want to hear my favorite? The B series, because that is the OG. That car has been with us since the beginning. That's the car that kind of started it all off for us. We started in the driveway with that car. Then it's gonna have to be this one, and the reason why this car too came along after the turbo car. This car sentimental to me too. This car was a street car before, but like I said, we'll talk more about that car later on. So that's my second. I gotta go with this one. This is my third, and then this one right here. But I kind of like this car too, because this car has history between me and you racing with each other on the street before it turned into this. But this motherfucker mean though.
It is badass.
But besides that, like I said, comment below which car is your favorite car out of the three, and how do you feel about the wheel setup.